Dollar Tree is carrying Revlon Color Foundation. Okay, these are $1.25. When I first seen these, I said, say what? Yes, honey. Words to the mother and the brother. Peace, family. So we gonna get into this Dollar Tree walkthrough. Honey, they have some fun stuff. Check this out. So first up, Dollar Tree has yes to watermelon. Now, what I noticed is all the Dollar Trees, they are pretty much where I live at, are selling is really, really good. With watermelon to lightly hydrate or skin types. And then they also have the Daily Gel Moisturizer. Another item that Dollar Tree is selling now is yes to avocado. Natural 98% ingredients, fragrance-free daily cream cleanser for dry skin, $1.25. Now, Believe Beauty. Now, I've been seeing a lot of Believe Beauty, okay? Now, this is exfoliating and shower face mask. An exfoliating treatment for when you're tight on time, infused with apricot and powder and white pony. All right. Now, Dollar Tree had also brought this bag, this item, and I guess this is a hot sale, especially, it's about to be really, really warm out, child. And although I don't shave, yes, you heard correctly, I don't shave, but Dollar Tree has the 20-piece natural scents, sensitive, the body wax strip kit, 10 body strips, 6 face strips, 2 bikini underarm strips, 2 cleansing wipes. Honey, have you guys, let me tell you something. I used to go get my eyebrows waxed, and I would have tears, like a tear would come down, a tear or two come down, because it hurted. If you wax, honey, how are you doing it? Because, child, you a brave soul. Now, I'm brave, but, child, when it comes to that waxing. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Hydrate Lip Mask. These are $1.25. You get 5 masks. And then they also have the Global Beauty Softening and Moisturizing with Cherry and Collagen. This is also a lip mask as well. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is the Dermasil Labs Pharmaceutical Research Eczema Relief Body Lotion, Chamomile Flower. Oh, I wonder. Let me know in the comment section if this is good, if you guys have ever tried this, okay? Because I think maybe I should get this for my children. Oh, let me know. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Dry Skin Treatment Body Lotion, and this is developed with dermatologist, skin lipid, and EFA treatment. Honey, I don't even know what the EFA treatment is, okay? Pharmaceutical research, same grade formula with a new look. Now, how is it the same great formula with a new look? Honey, I guess $1.25. Now, just in case if you guys have not seen this yet, Pure Aloe Soothing Reviving Aloe Mist with aloe vera, hydrate, refresh, moisturizes, and soothe dry skin, face, and body from Smart Care, $1.25. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the Hydrate and Primer Serum infused with rose oil from Be Pure, $1.25. Oh, look at this. Okay, with the lip duo, Charmed, High Shine, Brilliance. Now, you guys, I like matte finish, okay? I am a matte finish type of gal, all right? Now, I guess this could be a matte finish if you just use this part, but no, I think that still has a little shine to it. But this one is called Twinkle Bell, and this one is Charmed. They also have the Lash Out Waterproof Mascara. Now, I had got some mascara from Dollar Tree. Oh, and I'm wearing it right now. It is so good. Okay, so this mascara that you guys see, this is from Dollar Tree. And I absolutely love this mascara. But they only sold it at one of the Dollar Trees. And I thought that they would have it at every Dollar Tree. Only at one. And it's so good. I forgot the name of it. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is the Brow Mechanical. These come in different shades. They have the soft brow, and then they also have the medium brown. Okay, honey, is gonna get your eyebrows popping. All right. They also have the loose eyeshadow. Now I know a few of you guys was looking for this. Let me know in the comment section. Did you ever find it? Cause they have it near me. Oh, look at this. LA Colors liquid eyeliner. That looks good. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Plump and Glossy Lip Balm, which comes in 3 different colors. They have the plump, the watermelon, and then they also have the magenta. Now, when it comes to these liquid blushes, oh my goodness, Dollar Tree, make these into a lip color. These are so gorgeous. Hydrate, soft, and buildable, long lasting. So this is the, what is this? Rosette or Rosetta. This is also warm rose. They also have the soft pink. Oh wait, hold on, child. Maybe I spoke too soon. You know, because this looked like it's not the same thing. I was gonna say this looked like one of the colors. It's not. Lip Plumper Gloss. This is High Alert, and they let you know, any lip plumpers that you guys use, you may feel a tingle or like a hot sensation. That's because it's a lip plumper. Now, they also have the clear lip plumper gloss, and then they also have this one right here, this orange one. Ooh, chill. I like that. These nails right here, I absolutely love these. It's 12 forks nails for $1.25. Salon Perfect manicure in 5 minutes. These are a sale deal. They also have these. Oh, I don't know which one you guys like the most, A or B. I'm feeling this one more. Okay, with the strawberries, the cherries, the hearts, the flowers. This is all right with me. They also have these Pretty Woman nails. Now, these are cute as well, but, honey, I just have to still go with these. And then they also have the Pretty Mini. So, honey, not only are your nails going to be done, but your little ones as well. And with the Pretty Mini 10 pre-glued artificial nails for $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have these nail wraps. These are absolutely gorgeous. I like these, especially the gold one, because I'm a gold girl. Now, Dollar Tree also have the gel polish remover tool. This is my first time seeing this. This is a new item, honey, and it look fancy. Even if I don't have gel on, honey, this look kind of fancy. Make you want to get it. So when you come to Dollar Tree, always make sure you check these little slots down here that they have at the bottom. Normally they have, like wipes and stuff like this. These wipes right here, Be Pure. I know Dollar Tree was carrying a dupe of Dew wipes. Oh my goodness, those wipes went viral on TikTok. So good. You get 30 wipes for $1.25. Now I don't see. Is these them? Oh yeah, this is them compared to Dew face wipes. I had brought these for my youngest son. Okay, he's now 10. And he had these on his dresser for a good minute. But then he started using them. Now, one of the things it says on here, it says, if you don't have time to shower. Now, I don't believe in it. Okay? Honey, you make time to shower. Okay? Now, these are good. Really, really good. They also have the Tag deodorizing face and body wipes enriched with aloe vera, chamomile, and vitamin E. Cleans, moisturizes, soothes, and refreshing skin. 15 wipes for $1.25 because it's Tag. Now, back to this. When you come over here, always see if they have, look at this red. Ooh, and it's a matte fit, girl. And this is a matte finish, child. Okay? Now, I got me enough of matte finish reds. And let me tell you something. So when you wear red, it means confidence. All right? It means you are in your feminine energy. Okay? Honey, okay, you better listen. You better listen, okay? Now, if you want to be in your masculine energy, you got to do what works for you, okay? But you can't say you want a masculine man if you in your masculine energy. That just ain't gonna work. Now, Dollar Tree also have this lip gloss right here. This is from Clean Color. Let me see. They also have this one. This looks fancy. Lipstick Rain Hydrate and Lip Color. Clean Color. All right, what is this? Oh, this is another matte finish. Oh, child. Honey, they have a few matte finishes. Let me see this one. Oh, no, this is the same one. Oh, this brown looks good. That's a matte finish, too. $1.25. Now, if you are looking for some eyelash curlers, Dollar Tree definitely has them. And they have them in different colors. Look at this. Now, we talked about this. Micellar water, okay? Bath and Beauty cleanses and hydrates all in one. No wrenching, no alcohol, no residue. Gently removes makeup and impurities. All skin types, even sensitive. $1.25. Now, we talked about this. Child, these smell so good. I'm trying to see, do they have the hand wash over here? Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. This one, oh, child, let me tell you, if you ever come to Dollar Tree and you happen to see these, smell it. It smells delightful. And this is the raspberry banana smoothie. It smells so good. And then they also have the peaches and sweet vanilla. Oh, child. And then they also have the slime goo. Now, when it comes to the slime, I don't really care for having this in my house like that with my children. Child. But they also have the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Really, really good. $1.25. Also, don't forget Dollar Tree has the tabletop decor, Brave, Strong, Loved, Mom Signs, $1.25. Likes dears. And I remember I had purchased this. When I tell you guys that this Love Struck body scrub smells just like Victoria's Secret Love Spell, honey, you will be thanking me. Now, Dollar Tree have one picture frame left. Okay, they done brought this up, 4x6. This is cute. You see that curve? I like that. $1.25. Another fancy pantsy item that Dollar Tree has is this photo frame. Special Moments. I likes this. Now, it comes in 2 different colors. They have the gold one, and then they also have the black one. These are so cute. All right, make sure you guys always come to the freezer section. The peanut butter sandwiches, I never tried these. The Reese's. But this right here, you remember 2 weeks ago, I had brought the Magnum ice cream. Now, this was good. I said I wasn't going to eat it because it was that time. But, honey, I did eat one, all right? I told my children, leave me one, okay? Because it's 3 in a pack. These are $5. They are so good. And my favorite is definitely the strawberry shortcake. Oh, my goodness. Honey, I'm in heaven, right? You get 6 of these for $5. And then they also have the cookies and cream. Me, I personally don't care for the cookies and cream. Now, I would do a creamsicle, though. Those are $5 for 6. Now, Dollar Tree is now carrying a Country Road Biscuits Buttermilk 12 count for $4. This is my first time I'm seeing this. New item. Now, Dollar Tree do sell cell phone cases. Fits iPhone 7 Plus and 8 Plus. Honey, Dollar Tree. Honey, we on iPhone 16. You gotta upgrade this, okay? Come on now, no more 7 and 8. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Gravity Car Vent phone holder. These are good for $1.25. Lyft, Uber drivers, rideshare drivers, you may want to come to Dollar Tree. So these candles, they don't really have a scent to them. Let me see. Ocean Tide. Let's see this one. They don't have a scent to them, honey. These items right here are really, really cool. So these are table runners. Nice. Pineapple one. And then they also have this one. Look like just leaves for this one. This is cute.